Hold on, dude. We need smaller fucking sticks, buddy.
Shit, I got me a Pop-Tart and a protein bar.
Dude, I got a little Debbie Christmas tree and a zebra cake and
I just did this fast.
oh shit.
How do I do this so I get these
Shit, it might be alright. Keep pouring.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a lot, actually. Yeah, you might be alright.
Yeah, I think we're good, buddy.
Yeah, I think we're good. Bring that lighter over. That motherfucker. Hey, did you get gasoline? Yeah.
Hey, come on.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Come on, the fuels are gonna go away.
You wanna suck my dick or something?
Yeah, come on.
No camera, no camera, no camera.
Deportation, deportation.
This is funny as hell.
Hey, Tank, come here. Come back.
Yeah, turn that porn video down.
Wow. Yo, alright, Tank, quit eating the blonde, but Tank. No, don't eat the blonde. Yo, alright, here's the setup for you. Here's the setup. Yeah. Yeah. There's Howard, he's a bitch. Got the dog. Got him set up back here. Oh. Got him set up right here. Up under this tree. Yep.
Is that the GoPro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Showing the setup. We still got about 30 minutes till shooting light.
Duckin-Steel gonna slam today, baby.
Oh yeah. Catch y'all back at sunrise.
It's a single too. Where the fuck did they come from?
That had to come from right above our heads. I was looking left at these seagulls coming.
He disappeared? Yeah. You see that little single behind them all?
Nah. What big group?
It's like a group of 8. It's probably that same group.
Hey, they might fly back around though. Hey, oh fuck.
Buddy.
God dang it.
Get this guy a map, eh?
Huh?
Do you need a bird chart, buddy? Do you need a bird chart?
Holy fuck.
Oh my, that's a big group. Oh, actually seagulls.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Now what we need is for a single to come through and we all miss. Like we did on camera that last time. That's what we need.
Damn, I wish we would have shot those first two, man.
Wait, up.
Those are definitely not. Where?
Up there.
Don't point, but wait.
They're busting your balls, buddy.
Dude.
Oh no, straight above. Look down the tree line, down the tree line. Right above.
I see. Where'd they go?
Oh, I lost them.
Holy fuck, look at those things. Where'd they go?
They're trying to find us.
You still see them?
No, I lost them.
Holy fuck.
They might come circle this left
Look to
side,
y'all.
maybe.
They were over like the boat. Back there.
Yeah.
They seen our boat, we're cooked.
I don't
They're
know.
right there. They're right there. Hey.
Right where? Am I fucking blind?
Oh, way out there. You see them under the trees?
Over the trees?
Way out there.
They're way far. They're way.
Bro.
No, they're just way out.
Bro, no y'all motherfuckers believe. Did you not see the ones to the right of us?
I did right here. I was like, bro, what the fuck are y'all calling at?
They look, we got their attention, they just couldn't like see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because they're so fucking high.
I think the sun was in their eyes.
If there was wind.
If there was wish. Thanks.
Got the set up. Camera mount. Got the dog. Got Tank back there. There he is. Oh yeah. Got it set up right here. Oh. Decoys. No birds. Come on. So where these birds at?
You think I can hit that? You on video?
Yeah.
You
They're
think I
gonna,
can hit that bird? Nice. So,
I don't think you can. I don't think you can, buddy.
Don't shoot the fucking bird box.
You won't. No balls.
Don't shoot it. I swear to you, don't shoot it.
Oh, what happened to him?
Nothing?
I just damn.
Don't fall, son. Yeah,
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
We didn't shoot that. We found that.
No, we shot it.
Nah, here's the thing. We shot 2 birds. One we found, the other one swam away. And then we had 2 birds that should have been killed. We got no wind out here. So
That thing's just
we had like 3 groups of 10 or 15, whatever you want to say. We had no wind.
That is.
We had
nice.
singles that circled like 30
Oh, yeah.
times. Is he stiff or something?
Yeah, he's.
Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty
Look at
right
that,
there.
baby. Look at that, baby.
Good.
Hey, peep the Louis Vuitton, baby. Peep the Louis Vuitton.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Custom made from
Custom made from Italy.
You just got it mounted.
Dude, that'd be a freaking sick
Fresh
mount.
mount.
Dude, that wing is cooked.
Look at that Drake feather on the back.
I'm about to steal that.
Yeah,
Nice.
this wing's fucked.
I'm about to steal that, dude.
Yeah.
Duck.
It's got a good curl. on it.
Where?
Some good
You got
colors
Tubby
in it.
over here eating some damn chips.
Hey, he actually took a little tumble in the water.
He did fall. How wet are you, Howard?
Pretty damn wet, bro. What is your mom?
Oh.